Hello traders! Day trading can be an exciting and potentially profitable venture, but it's also fraught with risks. Today, we'll share some honest advice to help struggling day traders avoid common mistakes and improve their chances of success. First up, having unrealistic expectations. Day trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's important to understand that consistent profits require time, patience, and a solid strategy.
One of the biggest mistakes is ignoring risk management. Never risk more than you can afford to lose on a single trade. Use stop-loss orders to protect your capital and ensure you can keep trading even if some trades don't go your way.
Overtrading is another common pitfall. Trading too frequently can lead to poor decision-making and increased transaction costs. Focus on quality over quantity and wait for the right opportunities.
Chasing losses is a dangerous game. It's tempting to try and recover losses quickly, but this often leads to emotional trading and bigger losses. Accept that losses are part of the game and stick to your strategy.
Trading without understanding market conditions can be a recipe for disaster. Always keep an eye on economic news, earnings reports, and other events that can impact the market. Adapt your strategy to suit the current conditions.
The market is constantly changing, and what worked yesterday might not work today. Lack of adaptability can be detrimental. Be flexible and willing to adapt your strategy as needed. Stay informed about market trends and be ready to pivot when necessary.
Never stop learning. The market is constantly evolving, and so should your knowledge. Invest time in education, research, and practice to refine your skills and stay ahead of the curve.
Last but not least, one mistake is to not keeping detailed records of your trades can hinder your ability to learn from past mistakes and successes. Keep a detailed trading journal. Review your trades regularly to identify patterns and improve your strategy. Day trading is a challenging journey, but avoiding these common mistakes can help you become a more successful and disciplined trader. Remember, preparation, risk management, and continuous learning are your best allies in the market.